There are a lot of artists in Nigeria, in the world generally, but there are few record labels. Why is this the case? I don't know. My name is Ola, and this is Conversations.
Above room temperature, I'm Makochi.
Welcome to Boiler Room. My name is Henry.
And I'm Yvonne.
So, are record labels in Nigeria too demanding? What do you think?
I don't think so. I think they're doing their bit. I don't think they're too demanding.
Okay, I think we need to define demanding. If you say something is demanding, how do you define it? Are we saying that they're asking for too much, or they are too hard on the artist, basically? I don't know.
Well, if I understand what he's talking about, it's exactly what you said. They're asking for too much. They are requiring so much from the artist. Maybe in terms of the number of albums they churn out, how much money they expect them to make, and all that. And I don't think it's so much, or number of years they're signing.
Yes.
So, in my thoughts, that's exactly what he's talking about. I don't think it's
okay. I have a problem. I do not agree. I have a problem with record labels. If that is the premise we are working on, I think record labels are too hard on artists.
How do you mean?
State your point.
My point is that why would the record label get an artist and sign an artist for 7 years?
What is wrong with 7 years?
Because if it looks to me like you don't have a plan.
Okay.
If you don't think your artist can blow in 2 years or 3 years,
but that's not what
for 7 years.
No, Henry. That's not what being signed is about.
That's
it's
not
not.
signed.
So if you blow, oh yeah, market don't, and everybody go out. I don't blow.
You are saying 7 years. Is 5 years bad?
Yes. I think
what do you want? 1 year.
What do you want? 1 year, 2 years.
See this selfish rap.
Okay.
Wait.
Selfish. Let's do the math.
Okay.
Let's do the math. I think generally 4 to 5 years is good. Artist development is key. I signed an artist for 4 years.
Okay.
My first year, the artist cannot blow.
Thank you.
I'm building him.
What are you doing for him?
There's a lot.
Okay,
let me tell you the bit.
Help me.
In the first place, why are you signing to record label if the record label is not doing anything for you? A&R they manage it, PR they manage it, packaging you, publishing, distribution, branding. There's a lot they're doing for you. If you can do it by yourself, the hell stay at home and don't come here.
Does that include personal development?
That actually does include personal development. If they are offering you advice, is it when they start giving you music lesson? Oh yeah, hold your mic. Is this their job? Really?
Okay, no artist. What I'm saying is, no artist can blow in the first year.
Some artists, they're already developed. They've been working on the ground for
then why
years
sign?
before they get a
No.
You are signing. Are you signing because you are developed?
That's my point.
No, you're signing because you need a label.
You're actually not joining a label to have talent. You should have talent before you get signed.
Yes,
so
you should have talent to agree.
Come on stage. We will give you A&R. We will give you PR. We will distribute for you. We will promote you. We will brand you. What else are you talking about? This is when I carry you home.
This sounds like an international record label. That's
that's an actual Nigerian thing. Yes, it's the truth. Harry, let me tell you the truth. Actually,
A&R is not a thing in Nigeria.
No, Harry, I don't agree. It's an actual thing in Nigeria.
I'm
and
sorry.
it's part of the things they bring to the table.
I'm sorry.
Wait, what do you mean? See, let's even define it. What is A&R? It's right here on the screen. A&R is a division of a record label of music publishing company that is responsible for talent scouting and overseeing the artistic development of the recording artists and the songwriters. Don't record labels provide this part?
Yeah, I'm talking about the scouting part.
The scouting
so you're
part.
telling me that I don't know any Nigerian artists that I don't know any Nigerian record label that they consciously go out to scout for artists.
Henry,
they usually hand them artists.
Henry, whether you hand it, whether you was scouted, whether it was gotten online, gotten off SoundCloud, they have it. So it was scouted and given to them.
Let's not pretend like
is it not Usher that scouted Justin Bieber off YouTube? Okay,
maybe
did he have to host an event before that happened?
No, you don't have to host an event.
That's my point. My point is, it happens. There's A&R, there's PR, there's branding, there's distribution.
The reason why I mentioned A&R is that you said one of your points was that Nigerians they want to make money now.
Yes.
That's the problem. You're buttressing my point.
No.
You don't have to sign one artist and make all the money from that artist.
I'm not talking about Nigerian artists, not Nigerian record label.
No, I'm saying Nigerian. You have a company. You want to make money. You are a record company. You can sign 10 artists. You can say, okay, we're here for the long run. Why do I want to make all the money from one artist? I'll not cage the artist for 5 years, 7 years.
Which record label does that?
Because they don't. When they sign, didn't they sign Whiskey for 5 years?
But he was growing. He
They're
was
acting
being
like
developed.
they're acting like they don't want to keep doing this job. I want to just make money off this person and then shut down.
No,
That's
I
the
don't
problem
know.
I have.
I think that is not even the problem. What you're addressing is a completely different issue, which is completely
I'm
relative
addressing right
to
now is-
some record
Okay,
labels.
let me turn a question. Are Nigerian artists selfish? You sign it. See, I feel Nigerian artists, they don't take contracts seriously.
Totally
Nigerian
agree
artists
with you. Totally
don't
agree
take-
with you.
I mean, I don't care if you're hungry, if you're not exposed, but I sign a deal with you. 4 years, maybe in 2 years, you now blow, you become big, you now tell me you want to leave my record label.
Because what happened?
Because you are now big.
I mean,
But I'll shut you down.
Okay, in a sense I agree, but most of the time these people they were hungry when they signed that deal.
Henry, your ignorance
They
is
were-
not
Does
an
that mean you will
excuse.
not
When
read
they
it?
signed that
Thank
deal.
you.
The
So
fact
that
that,
ignorance
see,
is not an
it
excuse
goes
of
back
the
to
law.
what Makochi has said.
My point.
The fact that you signed those dotted line, meaning you have agreed to
Thank
it.
you.
And anything
I
else,
think
the
it's
breach
at your
of
own
that
detriment.
contract.
Now you go sign am.
Okay,
The day you
know
signed
what I
that
think?
thing,
I
the day
think
you signed
I
that
think it
thing,
has
you
to
have
do.
signed it.
I think it has to do with our system, the way our system works.
Quite a
Okay.
We
fact.
know that our judicial system does not really work.
Doesn't
That,
exist.
yes. So that's why an artist will sign and say, "I will
Nothing will
come out for
happen.
this." Whiskey,
But
he bought himself off the.
If it's based on that,
Well,
then it's not
yes,
fair on
because
the
he
part
knows
of the
that,
record label. If it's based on that, then it's not fair on the part of the record
Exactly.
label.
Exactly.
Because to spend that much on you,
But they don't
And you're
pay
not
us.
taking it so
immediately
seriously.
you just start
That's-
kicking off.
That's what I'm saying now.
You want
I signed-
to leave.
I signed an artist for 3 years.
Okay.
I put 50 million. What's the guarantee I make that 50 million? I even make half.
It's a
when I know
risk
that
in this
it's-
country.
That's what I'm saying. So
Mad risk.
you don't wake up one morning because I now make you bigger and say you want to work out. That's nonsense. That's
And there's the possibility that you will spend that amount of money
Thank you.
Yeah.
just in the process of development
there
for how
is
many
actually-
years?
and
And the person will be
not even
underground for
blow.
how many years?
Do you understand?
And then the
Henry,
moment you start
Henry,
making
no,
small
but Henry
momentum.
really
Wait,
thinks
but
that-
do you
small
guys
momentum.
agree? Do you guys agree that most of the time record labels do not have a roadmap? That's why they are confused and
How
they
do
sign
you-
the artist for 5
Sorry,
years.
how do you know
The
this?
first year they
Are you
have
in their
nothing-
WhatsApp group?
No, okay.
Attend their weekly meeting.
Oh, but you signed them for 5
So
years.
how do you know this?
Okay,
For
the
5
first
years means no plan.
What happens
Is
in
it
the
what 5 years means? Why did I go to school for 5
What
years?
happens- what
Does
happens
it mean
in-
I don't have plan?
So-
it means I have a plan to
But,
grow.
great.
To have
school-
a roadmap.
You went to school for 5 years.
Yes, I went to school for 5
First
years.
year, did you do the same thing that you did all through the years?
Actually, what they do in the
You
first
signed
year
your
of
record
signing.
label.
Eh.
Okay, what do you do?
What you do in the first year of signing, he has touched it before
Yes,
in
what?
the beginning. First, they're trying to clean you up. You know, give you house,
Thank you.
touch you up a
Brand
bit,
you.
This is so
brand
inter-
you.
this is so
No,
international.
No, it's an actual Nigerian
Nigerian
thing.
artists, they brand you.
I can count
Wow.
daily. I
How?
mean, think of
Help
how
me.
Ricardo Banks was 5 years ago, and look at him right now. Don't you think there's...
Ricardo
No,
Banks.
I'm just
No,
giving
not
an
Nigerian
instance.
artists. Not
I mean,
just
every other
Nigerian
person.
artists.
Just look at them.
Yeah.
Okay, take a look,
Look
at
at
YC.
them over
Take a
time.
look at YC. YC's name was YC was being Young Crack before. When he was even signed to record label,
my
his
God.
record label said, pushing you, we can't even use crack.
The
I mean,
record
that
label, they are wise.
We can't,
It's
so
trouble.
is that not a good record label?
They're already advising you.
branding.
Branding.
YC
They have
before,
to be branding.
YC before was on low cuts. Now he's on dreads.
Totally
And it was
fitting
record label
into
that
culture.
used to do it.
Yes, actually.
what they call
Actually,
it.
yes.
I should ask you a question.
No, I'm being serious.
Let me ask you what you
Branding.
asked me. Are you in their WhatsApp group?
I mean,
No,
I
no, 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 no.
because okay,
See,
let me
you
get
know what they
something.
asked me.
I'm interacting
Actually,
with a few people and from talking
Thank
to
you,
a
my
few people.
point.
I have seen somebody, a friend of mine, that was told to keep a particular hairstyle
yes,
because the record
it
label told him
fits
to
your
do so.
genre.
Okay.
It's part of his image, it's part of the branding, it's part of what
Yes.
the plan they have for him.
So I think that you're
Was not
coming
the plan,
from
it
that
was just-
Nigerian
It was
perspective.
no plan. It was
No.
See,
It was fluke.
you know,
You just look at it and say, okay, you go good way you get dreadlock. There was no plan. There was no plan.
okay,
You just
whether
know
or
the
not,
plan. Okay.
whether or not you think it's a plan or it's not a plan, these things work. We take it more seriously. You know, active people want to look a certain way. Just the way footballers want to have dread and have tattoo. It appeals to the public.
So what you're
it makes
telling
you
me-
look like a rebel.
Okay.
So it's actually, you know,
My
it
question
sets you
to you
apart.
people is that so an artist cannot blow in 3 years. That's what you
No,
are telling
we're
me.
not saying-
A Nigerian artist
It's
can never
possible.
blow.
It's possible.
We're not saying
So
it's
why sign them
impossible.
for 5 years? If
Why sign them for 2 years when, what if they don't blow?
Nobody's saying 2 years. You
So
can't
yeah,
do it
what
2 years
you
now.
guys are saying is that no Nigerian artist can blow in 2 years.
No, that's not what we're saying.
Okay.
You can blow within 2 years, but you blowing is not the end of the road. It's actually the beginning of the journey. So you're making it look like once I've passed my first year exam, make I pack my bag, they go house.
Yes, now.
That's it.
No.
So why did you say in 5 years to graduate?
what do I need the record label to do for me after I've blown? And now, okay, first of all,
Actually.
I was there I was there with the record label because I want them to take me from point A to point B.
B.
Now I'm in point B. I have the resources. All I need is
No,
talent.
you don't have
I
the
have I need
resources.
talent
Blowing
management.
is
Okay,
actually
okay,
not
wait,
resources.
Henry.
It's not
Okay, wait,
manager,
Henry.
that's
Let me
all.
ask you. Let me ask you.
Okay.
So now you have blown.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you define by somebody has blown?
Let's even start.
You released the single, and now your single has just you woke up the next morning and you have probably 1 million followers overnight, and you see that everybody's
Downloads,
singing your song, and the next
everybody's
1
talking
week your song is everywhere. Now what that means is a lot of shows want to sign you. You don't have the resources on your own personally to handle. Let me start from the basic thing. To handle your record label handles that.
Yes.
You
No,
don't
that is
have
not-
the resources.
you have not blown then. That's not blowing.
No.
that is
Let me start
not-
from there.
okay,
No.
maybe it has a different
Let me start from
definition
there.
of
No, let me start from
Okay,
there.
start from there.
That is how it starts.
Okay.
That's how it starts when one song puts you on the spot and everybody's
But
listening to
now-
it, and then your name is said in everybody's
Everywhere.
mouth, and then you're everywhere, and then people are trying to contact, see who is in charge, who is the manager,
Yeah.
because they want to reach out to you. You are the new next best thing.
Yeah.
You're what everybody wants to listen to. They want you to be on their show. They want you to be on their stage.
You need a
The
manager.
thing is, no, wait.
Or
The
a
thing
record
is,
label.
that buzz starts from there. And what happens automatically, there's high demand for you.
Thank you.
The people that are qualified, the professionals are qualified to handle and plan your journey, your new fame, or your new whatever
Reality.
from there. It's your record label. Because
move
they
on.
have been built for
Move on,
this. This is what
move
it's
on,
there for.
move on, just take this high five.
So listen,
Hey,
so
here,
at the end of the day,
here,
so,
woman is washing you up and down.
No.
Here
So
it-
at the end of the day,
That's
you
not the
need that
definition
record
of
label.
doing
Immediately, in fact, as you start, you're supposed to even be there for another 1 year. If
Another 5 years, Seth.
and polish yourself well to the point where you can stand on your own.
People are slave traders because
That is not
No,
slave
no,
trading.
that's to me that's not blowing. You're just starting.
Okay, so what is
Really?
your definition of
You're not just
What's your
starting.
definition
If
of
you have
doing?
been
For
if
example,
you have
now-
been in the record label 2 years before then, are you
No,
just
for example,
starting?
see what's his name, Ricardo Banks. He signed
Yeah,
a
he
new
has
person,
it.
Mav. The guy has not blown now. The guy he has.
Ricardo Banks.
Yes, he just signed one
Why
artist
is he
called.
signing?
How has he not blown?
No,
Who doesn't
not
know
him.
Ricardo
No,
Banks?
sign-
He's
an
talking
artist.
about the
Oh,
artist
okay.
He's not an artist, a new artist called Mav. The artist,
Okay.
his social media handle has blown. He has close to 20,000.
He's on his way already.
That's not blowing.
No, that's
not blowing. He
He's
has a
on his
single
way
album.
already.
Yeah, that's not blowing.
I don't even know who that is.
Nobody
So
says
even if
but nobody's saying
okay.
that is blowing.
Thank you.
Even if you get no, I'm saying
that's
that
what
is the
nobody- actually
beginning.
called
Why
blowing.
you
That's
define
the
that?
opposite
That is the beginning.
of what she's
Then
talking
that is not
about.
you. Then you still need a record label. Then.
See,
Oh,
When you
so
release
at
an
one
album,
point,
an album has done.
My brother.
Your album is
My brother,
successful.
Henry.
You are
Yeah.
everywhere. You have gotten to a particular place. What I'm saying is that if you are an artist after 2 years, be like Lil Kesh, throw away your record label. Be like Adekunle Go, leave your record label and do something for yourself.
You
Point,
sound so
sorry,
Nigerian,
wait,
right?
No,
point,
now.
point of correction. Lucas never threw his record.
No,
label.
okay.
This is
Wait,
expired.
Wait.
Thank you.
Now that's what I'm saying. There are different types of contracts. I think Olamide's contract is I build it for 2 years. That 2 years I should be able to put you on the map because Olamide can stand alone. There's no way Olamide. See,
How you
wait,
able to
that's
function?
No.
Why
calm down.
will you carry the
Calm
No.
down. Do you know that?
Yes.
Do you know
we
that
have
even
told you
after
over and
that's
over
what I'm
again
saying.
why.
Even Olamide says even after I sign you for 2 years, they still
want to
Lucas now they
continue?
still undo the his management.
Yeah.
So
Management,
I
I
feel
agree, management
I
should work.
feel maybe record labels and artists in Nigeria, artists get the misconception of record labels. What they just want is
True.
from
Why
record label.
don't you agree with
Invest in me, put me on the map.
Yes.
Once I am big,
You're
I'm
right.
gone.
gone. You don't care how
Look
much
at
the
him
record
here.
label has
He's
spent.
sounding like them.
Is that what record labels are saying to artists? Artists, you have a talent. Sign my deal, and once you make money, I
No,
look
they
for
don't
a
tell
new
you.
No,
artist.
that's
Actually,
not what they are
don't
saying. That's
say
why
so.
they give you a
They have to
contract.
thank you.
And you're supposed to
Read
read
it.
that
And-
contract. Understand
and
it.
EME was
And
dragging
know what
this
you're
kid.
signing.
Henry, do
Yeah,
you
but
know that?
Baggy was
Henry, do you know
with
that?
him.
That was
If I-
a sweet
Henry-
investment they made.
How will you
That
get
was
somebody-
good to
Henry,
reap.
Henry,
He
Henry,
was reaping fruit.
Sorry,
you wanted
Henry.
to let it go. If it were you, will you agree? You finish training your son.
If you-
When he now starts
exactly.
taking money,
That-
he wants
Henry,
to run away from your house.
Henry, do you know that?
And stop bringing money home.
Henry, do you
I
know
will
that
hook
if
him.
I sign an artist,
Okay.
I say 2 years, I'm going to spend 50 million on you. I'm going to shoot 2 videos for you. You know, the first year if I don't do anything, the second year if I don't do anything, do you know that artist can sue the record label to court?
No.
Why? You just signed a contract now.
Well, depends on the
That's
terms.
why
Actually, it depends on the terms. It depends on the terms of the contract. It depends on the terms of the contract. So they can be right and they can be wrong. Depends on the terms of the contract. If they are not doing what they say they're going to do,
Exactly.
he has every right to sue them.
Yes.
Okay.
See,
That's what I'm
terms of
saying.
a contract
I
are
know.
two. See, when it comes to terms of that contract, there are two
Yes.
things involved. One, how many records or how many albums or whatever.
Yes.
Secondly, time constraints. So yes, it's
Thank
her
you.
right.
Yes.
If they give you a time frame and it doesn't happen, you have the
This
right.
is theoretical.
And what
Do you know any artists in Nigeria? No, but we know that the record
They
labels
do
don't
not
what
have
they
the
say they want
means.
to do.
Before you even put
No,
the question
Actually,
mark,
actually,
you have to
that's
know.
why
Which
I
artist
just
has
want to tell
left
you.
the
Has
record
got
Notice
to
that
say that,
okay, listen.
I will-
How many Nigerian artists has left and still blown? Oh yeah, name them. Let
How
me
many artists
hear.
have left? I've seen.
Yes. Do you want me to remind you of Brimo?
Whiskey has
Should
not
I?
blown.
Whiskey
Whiskey has
didn't
not blown.
leave. Whiskey had already
Oh,
blown.
God.
And wait, he actually
He
bought
didn't
out
leave.
his contract. He had already blown, so he had to buy out his contract. Think of any
Is that
other
not
person
leaving?
who has stood up
Is that not
and left
leaving?
and still blown.
Is that not leaving?
No, that's not leaving. That's you
Okay.
buying out. What are you
Okay.
telling me? Henry,
So you're saying
shut
they
up.
will see.
Henry,
You're saying they
wait,
will
calm
not
down.
do.
Wait.
Don't forget we are in an environment that once you leave your record label, everybody sees you as a bad
An
person.
enemy. Thank
Ungrateful
you.
bastard.
Tell him. Ola.
So
oh my God.
Wandeko is not making any move.
Who is
at
that
all.
person? I don't even know who that person is. Who is that person? I don't even know who that person is.
You don't know who
I
Wandeko
don't
is.
know who is that person.
You don't know Tokila.
What's that?
Oh, you don't know Tokila. You really.
I'm telling you the truth. The moment he stepped out of Mo Hita and whatever,
It's sad. It's sad.
This is
Jesus
sad.
Christ.
I don't know him.
Wandeko.
I don't know him.
Look at him.
Look at my face. We don't know you again.
No.
No. Go back to Dodgers.
Go to any program, any event this period. Go to the club. You're hearing Tokila. You're hearing.
Okay, we're hearing
Excuse
like
me.
we're hearing science.
Excuse me.
We're hearing everything.
You're
That
hearing
is
Elvis,
not-
but you're hearing
Excuse
That
me.
is not
also.
what
No.
they call.
No, really. And he left his record
You
label.
step out
You
of
say
the
he's not
record
making
level,
it.
you will lose.
Okay.
So better stay
Everybody
there
that stepped out, they've lost.
and take
Everybody.
the people.
Oh,
they're
so you
giving
know that yeah, that
everybody.
was big. That went to Marvin. You know that he has sense.
Now upcoming.
Tell him. Tell him. Tell him.
Okay, he left.
Yeah, that.
Okay, yeah, left his label.
Why did
he went to a bigger label? And okay.
No, his own is kind of different.
Really?
But still,
Really?
no, but I'm serious. But then,
He went to a
seriously.
bigger label that you should not have more leverage.
Okay.
And now,
Yeah, let me tell you. You know,
No.
record labels have roasters.
Yes.
I hate to hear this
No, but
roaster
I'm
thing,
serious.
too.
But it's an
They
actual
do,
thing.
it's
But
a thing.
if a record label has a roster, you should be smart enough to look at your roster. Check how many artists are they managing? Are they, is in their remit?
Yeah.
What is their plan? Who are they channeling? You looked at maybe record
Are
that
you-
has
are you-
you looked at maybe record that has like no, it's an actual thing.
Even look at it. Even look at the
You're supposed to
history.
see from outside.
before you sign.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
see from
Before you
outside.
sign, do
or
your
even
research.
ask. And you do your research. That's the problem.
Do your
Nigerian artists don't do
research.
their research.
boys-
They won't see lawyer. They won't do their research.
Yes.
They won't do what they're supposed to do.
They are
They will
poor.
just
They
come
are-
and
they are
be
poor.
doing this
I
thing.
Okay,
basically-
so we see now artists like where you are. You are just starting up, and Donjazzy wants to sign you, and so you go and do your research. And
Listen.
you look at all the roster. You say he has many artists. I'll not sign right to them.
Actually,
It,
that's
it
a smart
goes,
thing
no,
to do.
that's a smart thing to
That's
do.
a smart
Because
thing.
you,
It
because
also
you have a
goes-
salary
it-
they're
it
paying
also
now.
goes
You have a
back
salary,
to
you have a salary.
records.
Okay, guys.
While doing your
not easy
research,
life for the
you look at the
artist now.
records.
Guys.
You look at the records. Does this person have the ability?
Thank you.
Does this person have the capacity?
Okay, guys.
The
Guys,
capacity.
guys.
If he does and he has 100 people, like Mama, I'll join the waiting
Record
list
labels don't
because
show
I
you
know
that
that the
ability.
timeline
Listen
is
to
going
me.
to
They
be
don't
short.
show you.
Henry,
They show you
I
moving.
think if we keep going round, we'll never end this. So everybody's going to make their point. Do you think they are too demanding? Do you think that Nigerian record labels are too demanding on the
No.
artists? Do you think they are too demanding?
I
on
think
the
it's
artists?
relative.
Okay.
It's
Do you
relative,
think they are
it's
too demanding on
relative.
the artists?
Yes, now you know my point. You
I
know my,
actually don't. I just wanted to clear.
I know,
I don't
am
think
I
they
not
are
gonna
too
tell you why I
demanding.
think? I think
Yes,
they're too demanding.
I don't think they're too demanding. Okay, guys, just decide for us. Do you think the Nigerian record labels are too demanding? If they are, tell us in the comment section. If they are not, tell us in the comment section.
are not
You can
demanding.
like, just
Artists
thumbs up
sign
if you like
contracts.
it.
2 years,
Thumbs
and
down
done.
if you don't like it. Leave your comments.
Thumbs
Thank you
up.
so much for joining us. And this is Boiler Room signing off.
Boom.
And we're out.